Find hidden files. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine and I have a tool ADS Spy. Just run it. Select Quick Scan and here you can see scan the system for alternate data stream. Just select Quick Scan and click on Scan the system for alternate data stream. In Quick Scan, we are not able to find anything. Just click on Full Scan. Now we need to scan the system for alternate data. Here you can see we created file1.txt. It is detected. About scan, just select it and just click on remove selected string. It is deleted. Just go to the C drive, folder 1, and here you can see file is available. Symlink is also available. But let me go to the C drive, CD, folder 1. Now let me run virus. Here you can see it's not working. So NTFS data stream has been deleted. So thank you for watching this video. Hiding data using white space steganography. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine and I have a folder in a C drive with the name of white space steganography, and there is a folder snow and this file of snow tool. We just need to open CMD, go to the C drive, just list it using dir command. And now we need to go into white space steganography and into snow folder and just list it. Now we just need to open Notepad with the file name file1.txt. Open it and just type this is a test file. And just close it and save it. List it using dir. Here you can see file1.txt is available. So now we need to run snow. Let me maximize font. Use command snow, capital C, M, define my bank account, ICICI, number is, just close it. Define password 123@ABC and define file name file1.txt and also give new file name file2.txt. Message exceed available space by approximately 638%. An extra 10 lines were added. So now the data is hidden inside the file2.txt file with the content of file1.txt. Run command snow, C, define password 123@ABC and just give file name file2.txt and give enter and you can see your informations. Now, let me go to the GUI, open C drive, go to the white space steganography, go to the snow folder and just open file 2. see a difference between both output. Here you cannot see your hidden data, like my bank account number is something something. But if you are using Snow, it will give you your hidden data information. So hope you understand how you can hide data using steganography technique. So thank you for watching this video.